What is going on, guys? Welcome back to my HTML beginners friendly series. In this episode, we're going to learn about HTML headings. Okay, so in HTML we have 6 level of headings, starting from H1 all the way to H6. Okay, so the lower the number, the bigger the heading, right? So when we talk of a heading is just like the main title of a particular list. So let's say you wanted to list types of fruit, so you write types of fruits as the main heading, the main topic, before listing the actual items. Okay, so that is a heading. We start from H1 all the way to H6. That's enough. Let's go ahead and see how it works in code. All right, so I will simply clear my text and then we write our heading. All right, so here I have my bare bone structure of my HTML, and then I'm going to declare my heading. So to do so, you simply put less than, and then you put H1. Okay, and this will be the biggest or the boldest heading on your website. And then let's close it. Now here, let's put this is heading 1. Okay, now let me leave space and then put H2, and I'll close that, and I'll put there this is heading 2. Let me come down, put H3, close it, and you can see with the help of Visual Studio Code all my tags are auto closing. You can see that. All right, that's why Visual Studio Code is powerful. So this is heading 3. Come down, less than, heading 4, close. This is heading 4. We have 2 more headings to go, so just bear with me. We have heading 5. This is heading 5, and our final heading, which is heading 6. This is heading 6. Okay, so this happens to be our last heading. We can't go further than this, starting from H1 to H6. All right, so let's go back to our web browser and then see how that looks like on our website or on our web page. So I'll go back to my desktop, and then I'll simply open my project folder, and this is the file I have my code in. So I'll double click on it, and voila, you can see this is heading 1, and heading 1 is the boldest, followed by H2, which is heading 2, followed by H3, which is heading 3, all the way to H6, which is the smallest. Okay, and as you can see, this is heading 1, happens to be our H1. So let me take you back to a code. You can see H1 contains this is heading 1, which happens to be the boldest and the biggest heading on the side, followed by H2, which is this is heading 2, in that order. So the lower the value, the higher or the bolder it looks. All right, okay, so that is heading. All right, so that's how you declare headings using HTML tags. If this video has been informative, stick around, because in my next video I'm going to be talking about paragraphs, and we'll also be talking about comments in my subsequent videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. If this video was informative, go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you very much, and I'll see you there.